Okay, we're back. Part two. Woohoo! And hopefully a little more organized.
Right?
Which
That
I'm
part.
kind
No
of,
way.
this is a chocolate digestive crunchy wheel meat biscuits dipped in delicious chocolate coating. A classic throughout Trinidad. Cooper, go away.
Thumper, come on. Sit down. Thumper. Cooper down.
Okay,
I don't know.
that just looks like a cookie.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Tastes like an animal cracker.
With chocolate.
Yeah. Not bad.
Okay, so it's the first thing that
That we both liked anyway. I think all
Okay.
these were kind of a no.
Bigfoot. Giant-sized puff cheese snack. Has an unexpected spicy twist.
Ooh.
Powerfully contained.
I'm just glad we don't have anything fishy that we know of anyway.
Those are big uns.
Okay. Oh, I could do these.
I don't like. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh. Yep.
Oh, they got some
I could
spice.
do these. I like those.
Lick my fingers off. Okay. Chicken chips. Crunchy stick and drumstick shaped. Oh, we got an ant calling her. Corn snacks flavored with a tangy or a tasty ketchup seasoning.
Not sure how I feel about the ketchup, but I mean, they smell kind of,
They look like veggie straws.
yeah.
Not liking those either.
I could totally do these.
Sorry. Just can't.
Those are actually really good.
Chippy biscuit?
No, but it's like chicken and
Okay.
biscuit. Try it.
Ovaltine biscuits. Delicious Jamaican barley biscuit. Traditional snack where healthy meets tasty. Woohoo! It's like a
Maybe,
little
like, break this
biscuit.
in.
Yeah.
We don't like necessarily need a.
Can we break it in half again? I'm like leery now because I haven't found really anything yet that I like.
Okay. It tastes like a cookie. I don't know what kind of cookie, but
Look how funky it tastes.
I don't see that. I don't.
I'm good without that one too. Okay, the Cocoa Crisp. Tender coconut. God damn it! Coconut. Combined with light crisp rice drenched in milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, tell them you were busy.
Okay. Ooh, I don't know. See, this is like too coconutty.
It's like a, what, Almond Joy?
Yeah. No. Nope.
Okay. So far, Caribbean sucks. Sorry.
I'm okay
Not
with
trying
it.
to offend anybody.
I have a few that I'm okay with, like, I could eat those.
Strawberry Ballers are a corn-based snack in a fun ball shaped with a sweet taste of strawberry explosion. Ooh.
She might like those. Ooh. These smell like the strawberry
Wafers. Yeah, exactly.
Nope.
Don't like those either.
I mean, maybe a good drunk food. You don't even know that you're eating them. Definitely could be a thing.
Okay. Ginger biscuit. This isn't your average cookie. Take a bite out of this delicable, crunchy, and ever so spicy biscuit.
Oh, I don't know if I want my biscuits spicy. I mean, I guess as long as it's not fishy, we're okay.
That goes so many ways. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oh,
Nope. Nope.
can't do it.
Mm-mm. It tastes like a ginger snap.
No, worse than that.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay, let's move along to the Tiki Gold.
Woo. Grossness.
Coconut flavors from the Caribbean island roots find its way between layers of wafer and chocolate. Everything's just coconut and
I
chocolate.
know. Well, at least, okay, we didn't get prawn crackers. Okay, this is coconut? Or just chocolate?
Coconut in between wafers.
Oh. You smell this and it's like, no.
Mm-mm. Now, for somebody who loves coconut,
No.
perfect snack trait for him.
Mm-hmm.
Just not up my alley.
No. Like I feel like I'm eating suntan lotion.
Sunshine. Ooh. Whoa. Sunshine Olé Extreme Barbecue. Caribbean twist on a classic tortilla chip packed with the flavor punch of barbecue.
I'm excited
Olé.
for those, kind of.
I'm really not looking forward to the rum raisin thing.
Oh, no, me either. Tastes like corn nuts.
Mm-hmm. Barbecue corn nuts.
Oh.
A little more stale though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're going to end part 2 right here. And we'll be back with part 3.